Friends, welcome to our DK Management HR and Labor Laws Advisor YouTube channel. In our channel, we are going to all the aspects of human resources, labor laws, its definitions, its applications and its compliances also. Intention of our channel is to educate new generation, current employees, employers, even management students to make them aware about all the basic labor laws, human resources, to understand in better manner so that at their workplace they can implement it more effectively and minimize their doubts so that they can help the organization to run smoothly and ultimately it will help to achieve the organization goals. It's very important. Being legal channel, don't skip in between this video. Otherwise, you may not understand the basic concept properly. Before we going to the next topic, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment our channel. Today's topic is basic questions on labor law. There are so many questions about the labor laws, human resources, but we will consider only two questions today as a video part 1. The questions are, first question is, what is meant by labor laws? And second is, why labor laws are required? So, we will start with today's question, what is meant by labor laws? If we see carefully the term labor laws and look at this term separately, labor separately and law separately. It's very interesting. Labor is also a separate word and having universal concept. But laws is also similar in having universal concept. But in general, we see labor is used normally in wide aspects. It is normally misunderstood. Like labor means the person who is doing manual, helper or unskilled job, we feel that is the only labor. But in economics, labor is defined differently. Labor means a person doing manual, unskilled, skilled, clerical, operational or mental work. It has also included people who are working at intellectual level, means all supervisory and managerial category people also. But applicability of various labor laws is mostly covers only labor who are doing manual, unskilled or skilled labor. It's very interesting to see any of the labor laws not define or specify this labor term. They have also used in general concept. So this is about the first question. So once we understand this question, we will go to the next question. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's see the next question. Why labor laws are required? It's very simple. In normal course, in our family or friends or groups also, whenever we start gathering together, we start with certain expectations, guidelines to achieve the specific requirements of that group. In family also it happens on same line. We expect some responsibilities, some discipline from our family members. Similar to that, When we plan to start any business, there are three basic and important factors we must take into consideration. First is main, second is money, and third is material. So these human resources and labor laws are related with mostly first factor, main. Main means labor. Labor means different category of people. So to start any business, we start thinking about the manpower planning. So in this planning, we decide how many types of such persons we need, and in phases we start recruiting the various category of laborers. Most of the time in this category we start recruiting unskilled, skilled, operational, technical and managerial people. Once we employ them, we have, after following certain processes, we have to issue them appointment letter. Those appointment letters also must include all their employment terms, condition, their legal eligibility and welfare eligibilities also, including compensation and all other related benefits. But classification of all such labor depends on their experience, qualification, nature of work and compensation. So labor laws normally define workman or worker and the supervisor who are doing managerial work. So all the labor laws are applicable to all category of workmen, whether we call them as a workman or worker or them employees. It depends on their compensation and monthly wages, which we have seen discussed in earlier videos. For earlier videos or any of the text, if you are looking for, please refer the links given in our description box. So, in this way, when we start business, we start recruiting manpower. This manpower is guided by various labor laws which are applicable to the organization. So those labor laws defines various terms and conditions of the employees and for the employers also. For the employer also, they guide how to register, what are the various labor laws and rules are applicable, what are their responsibilities and so on. This is how all the labor laws coming together guide, help the organization to run their business smoothly. But sometimes there are certain differences or difference of opinions among the employees and employers. In such conditions and to run the organization smoothly, every labor laws and state rules have authorized certain government agencies to monitor the labor laws on day-to-day basis at local level so that they enforce the labor laws properly, guide the employers also, and in case of any differences, they help to resolve their issues also. Labor is, we have seen, labor is differently defined according to their location of work also. If people work in the Factory Act, we have seen labor is not defined, but they have defined the worker. But objective of the Factory Act is to take care of all such workers' employment conditions, health and safety, and it also guides welfare of the workers. This is how all the labor laws coming together, they help the organization to smoothly run their organization to achieve the organization goals. That is why all the labor laws are required. So we have understood today both the questions. In this connection, if you have any doubts or clarifications, please comment on this topic. Same time, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and tell your friends our YouTube channel. For earlier any references, please visit our Instagram link given below in the description box. At the same time, we have given the website also where you can find the videos and various topics of text. Every week we will be coming with new topic on this subject to help guide and educate our professional friends. Next week we will come forward with new video, new topic. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.